Hi and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante. We are now on our third video in our series on GCash Invest Money. In our previous videos, we talk about some tips and reminders on how you can get started, as well as on how you can register to this new feature from GCash. In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process or how you can subscribe to your first investment using the Invest Money feature inside the GCash app. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first step is of course for you to open your GCash app and then just tap on Show More. That will give you the option to click on Invest Money. So this will open the investment options. You just have to click on View Investment Products. This will show you the available products that is offered, and you will see there your risk profile and the risk classification of the product available for you to invest in. And you just have to tap on View Details to see the important information. And from here, I would highly suggest for you to have a look at the fund description. What is the goal? What is the objective of the fund? So you will know exactly if it's the right fund you need. Alright, if you would like to learn more about the product, you will see there that there are links that you can click. So be sure to check on those, as well as these links here. These are agreements, different agreements and different disclosures, which is very important. So once you agree to those, you just have to tick the box and just wait for the 6-digit code, which is an authentication code that will be sent to your mobile number. You just have to input this 6-digit number so you can proceed with the order. Then tap Submit. Now you will see here your GCash, the available fund available in your account, and you will just have to decide how much you're going to invest. And go ahead and tap on Next. And here again, another tick box for you to tick, and just tap Confirm to proceed with your order. Now you will notice that there is also an approximated value on how many units the investment that you have made would be. At the same time, you will also receive some notification via email that your order has been submitted. Now it will take about 1 to 2 days, and if you want to check the status of your order, you can go ahead and view the details of your pending subscription orders on the pending orders page of GCash Invest Money. But once it has been completed, you will see, just like what I have here, the breakdown of your investment. You will see there the total market value of your investment. Alright, so that is the complete process on how you can order and how you can place an investment using GCash Invest Money. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. And again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on subscribe. In the next video, video number 4 for GCash Invest Money series, we're going to talk about how to redeem your investment. If, for example, you will have a need to redeem your investment, what is the process involved in the redemption of your investment? So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Florante. Make it a great day.